Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's 12 p.m. here in Pakistan. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to make tea using powder milk. So stay tuned until then. Thank you. 12 p.m. here in Pakistan, and we just woke up. Here in Pakistan, some of the family, especially those in the city, they are waking up late. The earliest is 12 p.m. That it is depend on the lifestyle of your family. Let's make tea. First, let us get 1 cup of water. We are using mineral water. Turn on the fire. Using the cooking pot, put the water or pour the water on it. Add half teaspoon of tea powder. Here in Pakistan, they use tea powder. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. I use this much of powdered milk to make it or so that it will be creamy and soft. Mix it well, then cook it for at least 5 minutes or more. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It depends on you if what kind of sugar do you want to use. And use sugar depends on your preference. Mix it well and then let it boil for a while or few minutes again. Boiling the tea for at least 10 minutes can create a very delicious tea. Once it's cooked, transfer it to our cup. Using the strainer or drainer, we are going to drain it since we use tea powder. And here's our tea. It looks delicious, right? And this really is yummy. And yes, here's our tea. It's really yummy. Here in Pakistan, tea is life. In the Philippines, coffee is life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. And see you on my next video.